So sometimes people like to think that they can't build a computer because they don't have enough money, or it's going to be too expensive. That's not always the case. And that's primarily what this video is to show, is that you can build on budget and stay within a budget and still have a mid to high end machine for an extremely low price by today's standards. Um, for a friend, it wasn't necessarily a friend, for somebody that I had known, I just put this build together for them, and it ended up costing around $350 for everything after it was said and done. And once you watch the video, you'll see that the machine really is not that bad, and it's really good price to performance ratio for $350. So thanks for watching, you guys. Go ahead and enjoy the video.
How's it going, guys? It's Mike from Diablotek PCs, and today I'm showing you an on-budget build we've been working on for the past week or so. We're going with an AMD platform this time, straying away from the Intel. And Micro Center had on sale for $100 the AMD FX 4-core 4100. Along from there, we are going with a cooling solution of the Antec Cooler 620, all into the little micro ATX motherboard, an Asus M5A 78L-M, all on an AM3 Plus platform, along with the Diablotek Diamond ATX mid-tower case. This thing's tiny, but it has very good air intake. Two 120s on the front, two 120s on the side, one on the bottom and one on the back. And you'll see, I'll open it up for you, and you'll see how we're the best configuration in this case we could possibly do with the room allotted. Wasn't much, but we made it work. Also, we're going with 4 gigs of Kingston HyperX RAM at it's DDR3 1600. And the video card is a Galaxy 8400 GS. This case, there's not really much of a cable management system. We did the best we could. I mean, it is what it is. It's not really great, but it's also not too horrible. For the case was only $40 with the 400 watt power supply, and that's what I mean when I say on budget. We went ahead and put the radiator up front so it gets the cool air intake, and then we're having another intake fan down there on the front, so we have 2 intakes in the front, an exhaust on the bottom and an exhaust on the back, and also 2 intakes on the side. The fans we're using are they're Coolmax 120mm blue LEDs. Supposed to be UV fans, but that's not really too important. They're $7 a piece, and we got 4 of them. Motherboard, like I said, was only $40. Cooler was $60. The RAM was $30. Case came with the power supply, and we're using a recertified Hitachi hard drive, along with a disk drive we had laying around, a SATA disk drive. It's a pretty good build, though, all in all. I'm happy with it. With this cooler, it idles at around 25, 26 degrees Celsius. And I was actually surprised if it would hold up to Corsair's all-in-one water cooling kit. The tubing is actually a little more rubbery than the Corsairs are, because Corsair is almost like PVC tubing, whereas this is more of a rubber solution. And the install was a little bit tougher, but it all turned out pretty good. So yeah, all in all, this build was around $350. And the processor runs at a stock 3.6 gigahertz. So there's definitely some overhead for overclocking if you get the right motherboard with it for $100 right now on sale. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and update you real fast also. This is probably one of the oldest Antec cases I've ever seen, but we're gonna go ahead and show off some of our abilities to mod cases. This case, we're going to go ahead and put a window on the side panel right here. I just picked up a piece of acrylic from Home Depot for $4, so that's gonna go there, and it's gonna be a full window on the side. I ordered some paracord. We're gonna sleeve this power supply in here, and I'll probably get a new motherboard and a new processor combo, something really small for a 400-watt power supply. And then I'm still debating whether or not we're gonna do a giveaway. Also, on the back side panel, we're going to be spray painting a Guild Wars theme, Guild Wars 2. And it's going to have this stencil painted onto the back of it. It's all cut out, hand cut out. So depending if you guys want to do a giveaway or not, go ahead and like and comment on the video and let us know what you want to do. Thanks for watching.